How come I didn't think of that before? I put popcorn in the blender and was surprised by the result. Start by adding popcorn to the blender. Add 2 cups of milk at room temperature. Then add some more popcorn. Now, add another cup of milk. Cover the blender and blend everything very well. Then, add 70 grams of unsalted butter. And keep blending until combined. This is the right blend. Once you have done that, transfer everything to a large bowl, passing it through a sieve. Transfer to a skillet over medium to low heat. Add 1 cup of refined sugar. And mix everything until the sugar dissolves. When that happens, add 1 cup of powdered milk and mix until combined. Then transfer to a large bowl, add 200 grams of whipped cream, and mix until combined. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Now, blend everything until well combined. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. Finally, transfer to a nice container, place in the freezer, and leave it there for at least 4 hours. Meanwhile, get some sweet biscuits, dip them in coffee, and put them in a waffle maker, just like I'm doing here. Now, close and cook for 3 minutes. After this time has passed, transfer the waffle to the top of a glass turned upside down with non-stick paper to give it some shape and let it cool. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Once the ice cream is ready, you can serve it in the waffle basket we prepared. And you can finish by adding peanut butter syrup or any other syrup of your choice. That recipe is ready. You may now enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.